you serious? Hey my lovely, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day, not only for myself, but for you as the viewer. Why? Because I am finally addressing the squeaks and creaks on MischiefMaker. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, this is how a Jeep should not sound.
Driver, there you go. Oh! There it is. Nice one.
So we are going to address it together. Finally have time to do so. So what do I think the problem has been? Well, I think there's just a lot of dirt stuck in those heims and those joints. And today I'm actually going to change the sleeve out on the coilover. So I'm hoping with a combination of a ton of WD-40 and changing those sleeves out that we will be creak and squeak, or squeak and creak free. So after we've done that, we're going to hit like a really big whoop section along the fence line, and we're going to see whether we have actually managed to achieve our goal. So let's head on over because we have work to do. We are here at Matt's Offroad. I helped him with the wrecker yesterday. So now the deal is he's going to help me with MischiefMaker. So there's a lot of stuff in the yard today. So we're going to maneuver on in here. And it's time for Project De-Squeak. We just have to get it to where we just need to take the bottom out.
The bottom
yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
That looks good.
So I'm gonna be messing around outside on my thing.
Okay, cool.
There's these.
You're amazing. Thank you.
Your metric sockets are right here.
Okay.
I'll get you a table over here to put your stuff on.
So as you can see, MischiefMaker is here. He is on the lift. He has been raised. I am dirty. I have already done the first side because I wanted the second side to go swimmingly when filming. So the name of the game is to try and figure out and eliminate the squeaks and creaks in MischiefMaker. Not only for myself, but all of you guys too, because I know you guys are absolutely sick to death of it. So we're gonna start with these, the AMG sliders. They actually have a 3-piece design. So this allows the upper and lower springs to move independently if needed. And it allows you to have a strong metal contact spot for the springs, but a low friction internal slider piece. It is actually a very simple process. I'm going to switch you around so you can see the tools that I'm going to be using. And I think I am going to take the tire off on the front as well, just because it's going to make it easier and I won't have to squish myself in between there. I just got some brake cleaner to clean stuff, some WD-40 that I'm actually just going to spray up in the top of here so that when we start turning this is going to be so much easier. We have some spring clamps. So these actually will go onto the springs and they will compress them, making it easier. Hammer, some wrenches, size 19, some screwdrivers, impact. That's literally all you need. So let's get this wheel and tire off on the front. Let's get this rocking and rolling. So I'm going to share something with you. Don't have a locking key for your lug nuts. They always go missing and then no one can help you. I suggest just normal lug nuts, size 19 socket. Everyone always has that with them. Just a side note. So now that we have the wheel and tire off, what we're going to do is we're just going to take this bottom bolt out. We're going to do that. We're going to let this go free. We're going to pull this out here. And then we are going to take an Allen right here. We're going to take this out. We're going to start twisting this all the way up to the top to relieve that tension in the spring. And then they should be able to come off. We'll be able to take this bottom cup off right here. Now, stop a second. Remember to always measure this right here, from the bottom right here to the top right here. Now, I have already pre-done this, and it should be here somewhere. I found it. I thought I lost it there. So I, instead of using a tape measure, actually measured it with this piece of metal and just cut it to size. So I know exactly where it is supposed to sit perfectly. So that's what I'm using as my measurement. I'm actually gonna put it on my fender because I thought that I lost it, and then I put it on the dark table and that didn't help. So let's get this bolt out the bottom, get the Allen, and start loosening that up. Fairly simple, as you can see. So that spring just kind of popped out there. Now we're going to grab the Allen and we're going to take that bolt out right now at the top. Now we're just going to take this and spray at the top of it so that we can start loosening that up, so that we can relieve that tension from the spring. I love how like this is the thing that we're doing today. Okay, so the top of this spring is being really finicky and I can't actually get it much further up than that right now. So I'm gonna take these spring compressors and see if that'll help me.
Oh, damn!
All right, we've just pulled this out of the garage. I didn't quite get to film absolutely everything, but honestly, putting that new sleeve on is super simple. But now is the exciting time. Let's head on to the fence line where we're going to test this out. Is it gonna squeak? Yes or no? We've WD-40'd the heck out of this thing. We've changed the sleeves. That's what I wanted to do. I hope this works. Let's head on over to Sand Hollow. All right, I'm super excited. We're almost at the fence line. I just need to lock my hubs and whap it in to 4 high. No creaks, no squeaks, amazing. but the Jeep is kind of doing something a little funny. So I plugged in my chip reader and it says something about the ABS line. We're gonna check this out right now just in case, because you want to be careful. These are a little kind of close. I guess when I put those springs on and switch the limit straps. Oh yeah, look at the limit straps here. That's not how they're supposed to sit. And there it is. Are you serious? Seriously? Come on. All right. So I clearly didn't check that spring and the brake line and the ABS line before I left. I just got really lucky with that brake line. I'm happy it was only the ABS line. That's something that I'm definitely gonna have to fix as soon as possible. Today, listen to this. That, my friends, is no creaking or squeaking. Squeaking or creaking. I keep getting it the wrong way around. So it is a win for today. Now, I do just want to take this quick moment to say, if you guys have ordered merchandise, especially on the live at 5, it is coming to you. We had a slight issue with the merchandise that came in, so I will be picking it up in the next week and it will be shipped out to you. So if you haven't got your order yet, don't worry. Also, the giveaway Jeep, you're going to be able to buy raffle tickets very soon. It's going to be in the next couple of weeks that you can do that. So just bear with us. We are doing everything that we can so that you guys can enter the raffle and win a fully loaded custom Jeep, which is pretty awesome. All right, guys, there is some really cool stuff coming up on the channel that you're going to want to keep your eyes peeled for, especially this week, both Friday and Sunday. So I got a skedaddle. It is getting windy. The sun is setting. It's time